inside my room. So I paid 886.33 for this room for 2 nights, and I booked this room in Agoda. And I will give you a tip if nakarating na kayo ng Cebu and you are going to your hostel, hotel, or anywhere. Huwag kayong sasakay ng guys. Huwag kayong sasakay ng taxi na nagpaparada doon sa labas ng gate kasi pipirahan lang nila kayo. So, kaya sa akin kanina, sabi niya 200 daw yung babayaran ko. Hindi na siya mag-meter. And fortunately, na-open ko yung Grab at tinignan ko yung price. Yung niya is 130 to 150 yung range. So sabi ko, ayaw ko, 150 lang dapat babayaran ko kuya. So, pumayag siya. Buti na lang. So, matutulog na ako guys, and see you tomorrow. Everyone, so I am now here live in Cebu, and I am going to start my tour right now. So first, I need to go to JY Square Mall para mag-rent ng haba-haba going to different destinations. So, join me guys! Nandito na po ngayon sa JY Square Mall, and nakapag-negotiate na kami ni Kuya. So, I will pay 700 and 5 destinations na yan. Nandito na po ako ngayon sa Serao Gar. Let's take a tour. So, by the way, yung entrance is 60 pesos na. I heard before it's only 50 pesos. Pero ngayon, 60 na. So, let's have a tour, guys.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on.
Asa ni sa ubos dito na ni. Sa
for Sirao Garden and pupunta na kami sa next destination, guys. So, yes. Guys, so yung gagawin niyo lang dito yung ginagawa niyo lang dito is picture lang kayo ng picture. So, yes. Worth it naman. So, we're going to... Asa tomato kayo?
Sa Tops.
Tops. So, pupunta na kami ng Tops, guys. And, let's see. Ano makikita natin doon. So we are now here at top of Cebu. So entrance fee is 100 pesos per head. Okay. Ito lang guys, free admission yung driver or yung driver / tour guide ko. So ang binayaran ko lang is yung entrance ko. So 100 pesos lang. So yay! Let's go!
Here I am. Know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand. I know I walked away. Had to find the person I could become. You should go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go. It's been there all along. You should go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go. That's where you belong.
The whole city. Wala pa masyadong tao, so dapat pupunta dito around 10. Kasi wala pa masyadong tao. Guys, ang ganda. Initial review ko is hindi siya worth it for 100 pesos na entrance. Worth it yung view ng city, pero yung attraction nila wala masyadong ganap. So sana babaan nila next time or dagdagan nila ng kahit konting attraction. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Temple of Leia. So hinihintay ko pa si kuya kasi pinark niya pa yung motor niya. Kasi pag pinasok niyo yung motor, may parking fee na 20 pesos. Then kung sasakyan naman, yung car is kung car is 30 pesos. Ito guys Excuse me. Duwa ka bok. So, nakapasok na kami and yung entrance is 75 pesos per head, regular, and 60 pesos for senior citizens and PWDs. So, binayaran ko na lang si Kuya para may mag-picture sa akin, guys, kasi nakakatamad na mag-ask from other people na mahalin kanya. Charot. So, para may mag-picture, binayaran ko na lang si Kuya. Hello everyone, and ito na po yung inside ng temple. So maraming tao as usual. So makikita natin yung statue ni Leia. She was a beauty queen before. She was a beauty queen and yun po yung view dito sa Temple of Leia. So, worth it guys. Ang ganda ng view. And hindi masyado maraming tao ngayon. So, okay lang. But, mainit. So, dala kayo ng mga payong or anything na makaprotect kayo from the sunlight. Pero okay lang naman, di mag-protect. So, palabas na kami ngayon. Magpipicture muna ko last dito. We are leaving Temple of Leia. Goodbye. We are going to Taoist Temple. So from the entrance, this is a subdivision. So from the entrance, if nakamotor lang, maglalakad pa kayo papunta doon for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then pagbalik nyo, lakad again. Kasi di pwede yung mga motor dito. Yung makakapunta lang is taxi or yung homeowners. So andito na kami sa entrance. And Akyat na naman. Ba't suki ko yung mga ano, mga hagdanan. So, ito yung entrance. Wala siyang entrance. Wala siyang entrance fee. And free lang. So, pasok tayo. And ha? Bawal picture? No picture taking of scene inside. So, bawal daw yung picture taking, so let's obey. Di nauubusan ng stairs dito. Bakit suki ako ng stairs? Pati nung sa ano, Batu Cave sa Malaysia. Feel ko doon nagsimula ang lahat. So yun si Kuya. And may mas malaking ano dito, building. Yan. Goddess of Mercy. So, parang wishing well daw to guys. So, the bigger the jar is na ma-shoot mo yung coin, the bigger the chance na matutupad yung wish mo. So dapat dito, so magwi-wish ako ngayon, sana makita ko na yung forever ko. So let's see if makakashoot ako.
Masihat.
So, dalawang try yun guys. Di talaga pumasok. So, walang forever na mangyayari dito. Walang forever. Dalawang try na yun na. Hindi ko na tinatlo para may isa pang chance. So, we are going down. And this is our last stop for today. And it's beautiful here. Okay, so nakabalik na pala ako sa hotel, pero mababas ako agad kasi gutom na ako, kaya dumiretso ako dito sa Jollibee. So right now, I am going to Magellan's Cross. So I booked an angkas for 38 pesos, so let's go. Parang ito na si Kuya. So I'm now here at Magellan's Cross, and yes, nakapunta na ako dito kaya di na ako masyado na-excite. So just to show you, so this is there. So this is now the Magellan's Cross, and yeah, one of the famous tourist attractions here in Cebu. Let's go inside. Mga students natin yan. Because you have the choice now to bring Uber sila ate itong mga uniform. You just have to buy the kanto na yung binibenta nila, and they will offer you over here. And yeah, that's it for Catholic people.
Viva Senior San Jesus, Malaang Cross, Mamili. Ato ko nga pasalamat sini ni RJ. Pasalamat sa kanang grasyang imugyatag kanila. Salamat sa may panglawak, uban siyang pamilya, mama, papa, o mga igsoon. Magwari kang si RJ sa imong sekto. Kung takyasi kang sa imong papa, ikapa sa imong makamot, o ikaw magauban kanila.
Bye-bye! And papasok tayo sa Basilica Minor de Santo Niño. So ito na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa Santo Niño Shrine. So every January, so dito ginaganap yung sinolog. So just in front of this one here is their cathedral. Alright. So just in front of Magellan's Cross. So this is the City Hall of Cebu. Alright, so nasa SM na po ako guys. Dito ako papasok sa Mountain Wing. Mountain Wing? Kala niyo nagbibiro ako. Mountain Wing yan. I am hoping na makakahanap ako ng milk tea house, please. Hi, so hello guys. Nandito ako sa Sky Park ng SMC side. So, hindi ko alam to. Narinig ko lang yung nakasabay ko sa elevator na pupunta daw sila na Sky Hall, Sky Park. So, sinundan ko sila. So, yes. May ganito pala dito. Yun, konti lang yung tao. Then, wala pang masyadong nagre-rent ng mga stalls dito. So, lalabas na ako. Maghanap ako ng milk tea. So, nakahanap na ako ng milk tea house, which is Macau Imperial Tea. And let's really try yung best seller daw nila na cheesecake and pearl. So, let's go! I got my milk tea. And in fairness, maganda yung lalagyan. Try it, guys. So yummy. Sarap niya. Like, ito siguro yung nagpapasarap. It's so delicious. Worth it din naman. Buti na lang. here na I'm going to Crown Regency because Sky Adventure na tayo. So, yes! I'm so excited! And one thing, yung Crown Regency is beside lang ng inn na pinagsistayan ko ngayon. So, nice! So, yung Sky Adventure is nasa 19th floor. So, doon din kayo kukuha ng ticket. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo mamaya if how much yung ticket. And here, I'm back. So, combo 3 yung pinili ko, guys. Ano di ay walay ka? Ha? Na ay? Ay. Okay, so combo 3 yung pinili ko. Entrance plus 3 rides. So, ito yung different rides na pwede nating masakyan. Saan siya sulat? So I am going up to 38th floor. So nandito yung activity. So kung gusto niyo lang ng overlooking view, pwede din naman 250 yung entrance. Pero sulitin na natin, guys, kasi minsan lang tayo makapunta ng Cebu. So sasakay ako ng tatlong rides, which is 1,150. First na activity is Skywalk. So, what is Skywalk? Well, may Skybar. So, dili pwede mag-picture, guys. Ipa-locker ni ate, oh. Si ate good, oh. Ipabuto sa locker, so wala chance. Uy! Skywalk and abi na ko di ko madlo, pero light scary siya, like, so there are minute igot meaning din. So mag-decide pa ko if magkuha ko og picture kay mahal kayo, like 7 photos and 2 GB nga flash drive, 600 pesos. Mahal kayo. kakatapos ko lang ng lahat ng rides. So, it's very amazing. I'm done! And a new adventure, a new experience, and hindi yun nabibili ng money. So, halina kayo guys. Magwalwal na. Hello guys! So, nandito po ako sa viewpoint nila and you can stay here as long as you want. Walang extra bayad. But, kung mag-isa ka lang, kagaya ko, walang mag-pictures na yun. Ikaw na mag-isa. So, mariremember mo talaga na wala tayong forever guys. So, yes ta. Ang ganda ng view. So, hello once again. If pupunta kayo dito, di pwede gumamit ng phone or any cameras while you are enjoying the rides. Kasi they have their own photographers. So, kukunin niyo sa kanila yung copy ng picture mo in soft copy. So, yung prices nila, meron silang 600 pesos. Diba? So, may package sila 600 pesos, 7 photos with 2 gig na flash drive. 750 pesos, 12 photos, and plus the 2 gig flash drive. And my 1,000 pesos, lahat ng pictures plus yung 2 gig na flash drive. So if you think na sulit yan for you, you can avail that one. Pero sa akin, kasi nagtitipid ako, may ginawa ako. May ginawa ako. Konti lang yung nabayaran ko. Then, lahat na ng pictures. So, if you want to know kung ano yung ginawa ko, just send me a message or just comment how below. You can also go here. Itong kinatatayuan ko ngayon. This is their viewpoint. If you want to just go here, di kayo sasakay sa mga rides nila, you can pay only 250 pesos for the entrance and you can enjoy the wonderful view or the 360 view of Cebu City. The end of my video and thank you for watching everyone. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please click the subscribe button and also please like my Facebook page, Art Jade Vlogs. Lagi ko pong ina-update itong dalawang sites na to. So please click and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. So live na live here in Cebu City. Have a great night everyone.